What are the things performed during routine maintenance of Porsche? According to the owner's manual, you have to perform routine maintenance of Porsche. In general, routine maintenance is a critical part of the car in road life. Through routine maintenance you can prevent the breakdown and damages. If you put off the maintenance, then it may lead to more expensive repairs. Below points define the things performed during Porsche routine maintenance. Oil change. Most common types of maintenance required by the Porsche are routine oil change. Check your owner's manual for performing the essential oil change. Transmission services. Transmission services are crucial for your Porsche and the service may include draining the old transmission fluid, cleaning the transmission pan, cleaning the transmission fluid filter, reassemble with a new pan gasket. When all the process is over, the technician can add new transmission fluid. Auto maintenance. Modern cars like Porsche require checkups and maintenance every 30k to 90k miles. During the service, the car undergoes numerous phases based on its needs such as safety checks, diagnostics, part replacements, fluid services. All modern cars are using specialized fluids for performing different functions. During the maintenance, certain fluids can be drained and filled in Porsche such as cooling system flush, brake fluid flush, differential flush, power steering flush. When your Porsche is due for maintenance, be sure not to put it off. If you are looking for Porsche maintenance, then you can contact a reputed mechanic. Visit us.